All right. Let's go into today's lesson. All right, so the first portion, right, is actually a revision on something very simple. Very simple. All right, you do not have to what? You do not have to think too much about it. It's just about adding the numbers. Oh, Wen-Xing is here. All right, Wen-Xing. Hey, hello, Wen-Xing.
Who is? Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, so I'm the stand-in teacher for Miss Elaine, all right, because Miss Elaine got something on, so I'll be the relief teacher for today, all right? Okay. Hello, Wen-Xing. Hey, Wen-Xing, just to let you know, last week you answered some questions, During my entire primary 3 lessons, you never even answer my questions, that Wen-Xing. I was so sad, I was so hurt, Yes, last week I was in lesson. All right, and that was my first time hearing your voice, Wen-Xing. My goodness, you're incredible. You got the sweetest voice, just to let you know. All right, so can you please continue to participate in class, Wen-Xing? Thank you so much, man, really. All right, the whole entire primary 3, 1 full year, you don't want to talk to me. Then when Miss Elaine come up, you talk to her. Oh, I feel so hurt. Oh, I almost cried. I was in the toilet crying the whole night, just to let you know. All right. It's okay. It's okay. Can we have points in Class Dojo? I tried using Class Dojo last year. Yeah, but it doesn't really work. All right, it's very hard to keep track of the points. All right. So I was thinking actually for my other classes, I'll use the Kahoot to keep track of the points. All right, because Kahoot will show who is the highest, the top 5, the top 10, and all this. Yeah, so I'm actually trying to consolidate who are the highest, and after 3 months or 6 months, I'll try to give them some incentive. Yeah. Right. Anyway, I'll share with Elaine this, and hopefully Miss Elaine will take this up. Then at least you all will have some incentive also. Is that okay? All right. Come on. All right. Let's take a look at question number 1. All right. Question number 1. Can I get Lucas? Lucas, can you please help me do question 1A? Are you able to annotate? It seems like you like to annotate. Are you able to annotate? All right. Can you try to annotate on the screen? You want to do that? That's called wait. Okay. Go ahead. All right. Go ahead and annotate for question A. So this is Lucas. All right, Lucas, can you please do this question? 4, 2, 5, 1. Down here, Lucas, down here, on top, down here. 3, 1, 2, 4. Hello, Lucas, here. All right, then Wen-Xing, are you able to annotate, Wen-Xing? All right, can you please do part B? 1, 5, 2, 0. Hey, Lucas, do up here! Lucas! Up here! Do where your name is. All right, do anyhow scribble. Wen-Xing, 1, 3, 3, 0. Can you please do down here, Wen-Xing? Can you try? Yes? Wow, my goodness. Oh, yes, you see, Wen-Xing is typing. Whoa! Hey, where's Chi-En, Oh my goodness, very good. All right, so Wen-Xing gave the answers of 2850 for this, which is correct. Good job. All right, and actually, our dear I've forgotten how to pronounce her name again. I'm so lousy. Sorry, what's your name again? Suizling, is it? Suilin, is it?
Nah, it's Shazlin.
Shaslin. Shaslin. All right. Shaslin also give the first answer already. All right, as what Lucas gave also. Thank you, Shaslin. So sorry about it. All right, let me just get familiarized.
Can I do C?
Yes, Shaslin, I was waiting for you to say that. All right, Shaslin, can you do C down here, please? All right, I write in the number for you, Ken. And JJ, can you please do D?
B.
Yeah, down here on the left. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Thank you. You know how to annotate, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. There's another student. Is it Midhat? Midhu? Mihan? Did I pronounce your name correctly? Sorry, can you please unmute yourself and tell me how to pronounce your name? Miru Hulan?
Miru.
Miru. Miru, okay. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm getting answer. Eh? Where is J? J down here. J. Do you know how to annotate J? Yeah. Oh, no, that's Lucas. Lucas, I don't want. Lucas, you answer already. Shoo. J, can you try to answer down here? And this is the answer given by Shaslin. Oh, good job. Good girl. Go, girl.
You
Yeah,
mean I
she's
don't
right.
believe? I don't.
All right. Hey, sorry again? J,
You are-
you're doing D, yes. I forgot to write your name also. My fault.
Okay.
My fault.
It's so laggy, I can't even write the answers.
Oh no, don't worry about your answer. Your working is perfect now here. It's correct already. Okay, don't worry. You guys are actually using your mouse to write. You guys are really incredible. All right. Using your mouse to write, you all can write such beautiful numbers even. Good job. All right. So I'm using a pen. All right. I'm using a pen. That's the reason why I can write properly. All right. But writing with a mouse is difficult.
I'm not using mouse.
Oh, you're not? What are you using?
I'm using those like squinting on your laptop.
Ah, okay. I see. So you are able to write on your laptop, is it?
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible. That's quite a powerful laptop already.
This.
Jay, what's your answer? What's your answer? Oh, is this by you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait,
okay. So you can log in.
Wait, that's not me.
That's not you. Okay.
This is what I'm using.
Okay.
Eh?
Very good, Jay. Your answer is correct. 46000. Excellent. Good job, people. Very good. I'm so proud of you guys. You all know how
This is
to
what I'm
add.
using.
What is that? Ah, so you use your finger, is it? Is it, eh? Oh, yeah, you're using the pad.
Yeah.
Well, that's even worse. That's even harder to write, my goodness. Whoa. That's even harder to write. Right, but you guys are doing such a great work. Okay? Okay, children, so all the answer is correct. Thank you so much. It's about adding, and adding is very simple. All right, you're not supposed to make any careless mistake regarding adding or subtracting, or even multiplication and division. All right, because all these are the basic, you all should know that, and please avoid any carelessness. All right, very good. I'm so proud of you guys. Question number 2. All right, for this, right, can I just remind you? All right, let me remind you a little bit about something called kilometer. I think last week, Miss Elaine also got teach you something called about K. Every time she say the word K, right, K actually means what? K actually means 30. It's like the 1,000. All right, K means 1,000. All right. So for example, right, the question say 1 kilometer. All right, 1 kilometer is actually equal to 1,000 meter. Do you know that? Can you see now? It's a copy down. All right, you copy down the 1 and you copy down the meter. All right, and the K represents 1,000. Right, this is very, very useful, and you need to know that. Okay, another one is the kg. 1 kg. 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg. All right, so every time you see the word K again, what does it mean? It means 3 zeros again. Can you see? So 1 kg is actually equal to 1,000 grams. Can you see? So it works. All right. So similarly down here, right, when you see the word K, right, what can you tell me? All right, when you see the word K, you can actually tell me that this one is 3 zeros. All right. Your 683 is still in front. So this portion you can just copy downwards as 683. Okay. Your this meter is still down there. You can just copy down as meters. Okay, are you okay? Shouldn't be a problem, huh? All right. Then on top of that, there is still this portion, which is a 64 meter. So what can you see? You can see that both of these are already meter, and the question wants it in meter. That will be easy. All you got to do is to add them up. That's why your adding skills is important. All right, plus 64. And your answer will be, drum roll, ting. All right, such a big and scary number, but you shouldn't be afraid. All right, you shouldn't be afraid. This is actually 683,000 164 meter. All right. Okay, can understand this question? Can? No problem, right? Very good. All right, thank you for the thumbs up, Jay. Okay, so later there will be a few more questions which I need you all to participate, don't worry. Right, but all these questions, right, is actually found in the worksheet already. So I just want to quickly go through them. All right, so that we have time for Kahoot and some extra questions later. Okay, this is actually quite simple. Let's look at question 3. All right, let's look at question 3. Wen Xing, am I going too fast? Are you okay? Okay, very good. Let's go. All right, this is actually a very tough question, I feel. I feel that this is actually a tough question. All right, so there is something which I need you to write down somewhere. All right, something called kilometer, meter to centimeter. All right, so there is a conversion down here from kilometer to meter. All right, remember the K? The K means times 1000. Okay, from meter to centimeter. All right, from meter to centimeter is a times 100. All right, if there's a reverse from cm to meter is a divide by 100. And a meter to kilometer, right, is a reverse of times 1000, will be a divide by 1000. All right, so this is actually something called math, which is actually very fair. This topic is actually called measurement. All right, in your primary 3, we call it the length, mass, and what is that called? Length, mass, and what lah? I forgot it. And volume. Length, mass, and volume, if you still recall. Okay? So these are the conversion which you need to know. All right, because it is fixed. You cannot change them one. All right, and you'll be using this same conversion even in your secondary school. Can? Okay, so down here, what do we have? What do we have? We have such a huge number. We have such a huge number. All right, how do we read this? We read this as 115,745. Oh my goodness. All right, it's like 115,745. So how are you going to fill in here? That's the question. All right, even though you got all this information with you, but how are you going to fill in? All right, so just now there's one student haven't tried it. Maybe can we just get Miru, right, to give it a shot? All right, Miru, can you please try to annotate and just try your best? All right, you might not get correct, it's okay. All right, just Miru will try. Right, because he didn't have the chance to show us his beautiful handwriting just now. Right, so Miru, can you please give it a shot? Just for fun. Right, you get it wrong, it's okay. You get it correct, it's perfect. Can, Miru? Are you able to annotate? You are, right? Yeah, go ahead. Only Miru can annotate. The rest, please don't. Give you a chance. Right, this is not easy. This is not easy. Okay, Miru, can I give you can I help you out? Okay, then you do the next question, Ken. Excellent. Very good attitude, this boy. All right. So he tried, and as I say, this question is not easy. Actually, it's my fault. I shouldn't have given such a difficult one. Not fair. Because just now, every one of you received the easy one. Right, Miru, I'm so sorry. Don't be angry, okay? All right. So this clue, right? I gave him this clue. He managed to give me the first answer already, which is actually very good work already. So as you can see, right, 1 kilometer represents how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. That's called 100,000. 100,000 is equal to 1 kilometer. He got that part out. Correct. All right. So the 1 is actually being done already. Okay? And the next portion, they are looking for meters. And what does meters means? All right. Meters simply means that 1 meter, 1 meter actually is equal to 100 cm. All right. 1 meter is actually equal to 100 cm. This one you know. All right. So almost every one of us is about 1.2 meter or 120 cm or 130 cm, something like that. Just now, who said you want to try? Is it Jay? Oh, okay.
I didn't see.
Okay, sorry, Shatlin, is it?